Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this stunning Volkswagen Polo 1.0 TSI SE. Now this vehicle is currently on 39,137 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour champagne silver, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your halogen headlights with the LED daytime running lights there, which complement the vehicle throughout the day. You also have your front fog lamps, which are great for when the visibility is poor. Here to the side, your 15-inch TSI alloy wheels, your indicator integrated into the door mirror there. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside to the rear. You do have a lovely cloth interior with a nice textured cloth there in the centre. You do have ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Overall, you do have a nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. Now let's head round to the rear of the vehicle now. You have your Polo badge in there on the tailgate. Now let's go ahead and open up the boot. You open it using the VW badge there. Opening up reveals a very nice amount of space here. You can fit a weekly shopper in there very nicely. You even have a spare wheel underneath the boot floor there, along with additional storage space, making it very nice and practical. You do have tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to. You have a handle up top, allowing you to easily close the tailgate. And moving round now, let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there with a nice gloss black finish on it. Your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You even have an armrest there in the centre console, so you can travel comfortably and store things away nicely in there as well. Now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Volkswagen Polo has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door now, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice and protected. Super handy, for example, when parking on narrow roads, as they tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle, preventing them from being knocked off. You do have full electric windows there with a button for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. Here on the dashboard, you will find your automatic headlight switch, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. Behind the right of the steering wheel here, your wiper stalk. Here on your right hand side of the steering wheel, you will find the controls for the digital display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can access all different information on here, such as your average consumption, oil temperature, and your digital speedometer. You also have your driver assist features here. You have your front assist, which can detect potential hazards ahead, and emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You can activate it there. Nice touch to have for when driving around town. You can access additional menus as well, including audio and phone. And here to the left, you have your volume controls along with changing station or track for the infotainment system. Behind the left of the steering wheel here, you do have your indicator stalk, and at the end of it, you will find your speed limiter, which you can set up. You can set up a speed limit that the vehicle won't allow you to accelerate over, so you can keep a nice constant speed without having to keep fiddling with the accelerator. But you can override this as a safety feature. You simply push the accelerator straight to the floor. Up top here, you do have your infotainment screen. It's a very nice large coloured display. You have your radio with DAB, FM and AM radio. With your DAB, you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly, and it's very easy to tune your favourite stations in there with a list of stations available to you. You can also connect your own source of audio with USB connectivity. There's CD player, SD inputs, as well as your Bluetooth. Of course, with your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls. Super easy to pair your device up with the vehicle. You can search for your phone here directly on the system. Moving on to your app connect here, when you connect with USB, you are able to use Android Auto and Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink. Brings your phone's interface on to the infotainment system here. You can make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can even use compatible apps as well, such as music streaming services, navigation, and even things like WhatsApp and Teams. Now you do have some vehicle settings here. You can access your convenience consumers, your driving data there, where you can see your miles to the gallon. have your Think Blue trainer as well, which judges you on how fuel efficient you're driving, and you can receive vehicle messages there as well of any issues. Down below here now you do have your air conditioning, which is very straightforward to use. It's nice and easy to use with a nice minimalistic look. You have your direction of airflow there, switch to the right, your fan speed in the centre and your temperature to the left. You have your heated rear windscreen, your air recirculation and your AC on and off button there in the centre. Down below here you do have your start-stop button. We can turn the system on and off. Thanks for watching this video on the Volkswagen Polo 1.0 TSI SE. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.